Hello everyone, this is Tony, and I do stuff. This is my K1600GT. Like most riders, I wanted a telephone mount. I'm going to show you how I installed this one. I think RAM produces one of the best systems on the market for holding your electronic devices. That's just my opinion. They're very well made, and there are lots of accessories to tailor them to your particular installation. Handlebars on this bike are not tubular, they're cast aluminum. They have irregular shapes and contours. Coupled with the close-fitting components such as the master cylinders for brake and clutch as well as the switch pods, there just isn't much room for a normal clamp. The mounting system as it comes off the shelf required a little bit of creative thought. These two spacers and this steel bolt were provided by the local dealership, free of charge I might add. I'm not getting anything for this, so a shout out to Adventure BMW out of Chesapeake, Virginia. They're just good people. These components were essential to make this system work. Removing this BMW logo revealed a threaded shaft, same pitch and diameter as the bolt. This is a perfect solid foundation for the lower ball joint. This lower ball joint is a rubber-coated cast aluminum piece. Provides dampening and a good solid foundation for the mount. The shoulder on the bolt had a little bit of interference with the casting. Nothing that a few minutes on a grinder couldn't fix. After removing the flange from that bolt, it was still a tight fit. Turns out the casting had some flashing in it. A few swirls with a deburring tool, you can get these at any auto parts store. Made quick work of that. Cleaned it up real nice, and the bolt fit perfectly. Here are the components assembled. I did a test fit. Looked good, but I didn't like that open space. Got to put something in there. This is a PVC lunchbox liner. I took the BMW logo and traced it. Took one of the spacers, heated it with a propane torch, and plunged it through the box. This gave me a good tight fitting hole. Using a soldering gun with a flat blade tip on low heat, I was able to cut the outside diameter of the circle. I had to clean it up a little bit with a razor afterwards, but fitment was good and I was satisfied with the results. Remember, we're dealing with aluminum stainless steel, so it's not a rust thing. This is purely cosmetic. I positioned the mounting ball in several places. Turns out that 9 o'clock to 10 o'clock, I guess you'd call that 9:30, was the absolute best place so that I could see my instrument cluster and still not have to do a weird reach around to get to the ignition switch. This mount has been in service since 2017. I've never had it drop a device, and I've never had any mechanical issues with it. Hopefully, this benefits someone out there. Thanks for watching.